Let's find out the mystery letter for today. I see a pot, and inside the pot are pumpkins. Let's count the pumpkins. One, two. That's right. There are two pumpkins. And our mystery letter for today is the letter P. And P sounds P, P. Good job. It's a wonderful day. Are you excited to learn something new? Yes, I am excited too. Today will be a colorful day because we are going to learn the colors of the rainbow. Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Do you also know how many colors does it have? Let's find out together. This is a rainbow. We see a rainbow after the rain. And these are the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's repeat the colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Nice! Good job! Now, let's count it. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Wow, the rainbow has seven colors on it. Good job counting. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Words that start with letter A. A, apple. A, apple. A, alligator. A, alligator. A, astronaut. A, astronaut. A, ant. A, ant. A, axe. A, axe. A, army. A, army. A. Arm. Arm. A. Anchor. Anchor. Good job, kids! Hello, kids! This is circle. Circle has no sides and no corners. Let's see which objects are in circle shape. The first object is a plate. I don't see corners and I don't see sides. Yes, it is in circle shape. Correct. The next one is a piece of pizza. I see 3 sides and 3 corners. It is in triangle, so it's not in circle shape. The third one is a clock. Do you see corners and sides? It has no corners and sides because it's circle. The next one is a bar of chocolate. What do you think? It is not in circle shape. You're right. The last one is a ball. I don't see corners and sides, so it is in circle shape. Good job! Circle. The alphabet song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? ABC animals. A. Alligator. B. Bear. C. Cow. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Frog. G. Goat. H. Hen. I. Iguana. J. Jaguar. K. Kangaroo. L. Lion. M. Monkey. N. Newt. O. Octopus. P. Parrot. Q. Quail. R. rabbit. S, snake. T, turtle. U, unicorn. V, vulture. W, whale. X, X-ray fish. Y, yuck. Z, zebra. Good job, kids. Hello, kids. Do you know the vowels of the alphabet letters? There are five vowels, and the five vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. A sounds a. E sounds e, e. I sounds e, e. O sounds o, o. U sounds a. Those are the vowels of the alphabet letters. Good job. Hello, kids. How are you feeling today? We have different emotions. You can be happy. You can also be sad or angry or excited. You can also be scared or confused. It is normal to have different emotions. Consonants B, B, C, K, D, D, F, F, G, G, H, H, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Good job. Welcome to Learn and Play with Austin. Let's count the red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 red apples. Good job. Let's sort the colors. What is the color of the apple? Red. What is the color of the banana? Yellow. What is the color of the tomato? Red. What is the color of the lemon? Yellow. What is the color of the strawberry? Red. What is the color of the mango? Yellow. What is the color of the car? It's red. What is the color of the bus? It's color yellow. Good job, kids. Matching big letter to small letter. Where's small letter A? Letter B. And letter C. That's right. Good job. Small letter D. Letter E. And letter F. That's right. Good job, kids. Small letter G. Letter H. And letter I. Very good, kids. Small letter J. Letter K. And letter L. Wow, amazing! Good job! Small letter M. Letter N. And letter O. Correct! You're doing great! Small letter P. Letter Q. And letter R. That's right, kids! Small letter S. Letter T. And letter U. Wow, amazing! Good job! Small letter V. Letter W. And letter X. Very good, kids! Small letter Y. And letter Z. Wow, that's great! Good job, kids! The shape song. This is circle, it is round, it is round. There is no corners, it's a circle, it's a circle. This is square, four equal sides, with four equal sides. You can make a cube, with a square, That's a triangle, with three corners, Can you make a triangle like a cone? That's a triangle, It's a rectangle, with two longer sides, Rectangle is long, That's a rectangle, Let's learn to count from numbers 1 to 10 by Learn and Play with Austin. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, kids! The English alphabet by Learn and Play with Austin. Hello, children! Let's learn the English alphabet letters. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Spelling alphabet by Learn and Play with Austin. Ant, A, N, T. Let's spell it again. A, N, T. Ant. Car. C, A, R. One more time. C, A, R. Car. Boy. B, O, Y. Let's spell it again. B, O, Y. Boy. Pen. P, E, N. One more time. P, E, N. Pen. Good job, kids! Learn the colors by Learn and Play with Austin. I am color red. I am color blue. I am color yellow. I am color purple. I am color pink. I am color orange. I am color green. Good job, kids! You did a very, very good job! The alphabet letters by Learn and Play with Austin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Which of the vehicle below is the smallest? Is it the helicopter? Or is it the bus? Or maybe the car? The car is the smallest. Good job!